Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 17,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how Amazon sellers use brand analytics to increase sales. Let's get into it. When selling on Amazon, you're always competing for customer attention. Brand analytics is one of the most powerful tools Amazon provides to help sellers understand their audience and drive more sales. By analyzing customer behavior, you can tailor your marketing strategies and maximize conversions. Within brand analytics, there's a section called Customer Loyalty Analytics, which categorizes buyers into different groups. These include top-tier customers who are your most loyal buyers, promising customers who are interested but haven't committed yet, at-risk customers who might stop buying from you soon, and hibernating customers who purchase very infrequently. By analyzing these segments, you can implement more effective marketing strategies. One of the best ways to use this data is through brand tailor promotions and brand tailor coupons, which are found inside the advertising console. These tools allow you to target specific customer groups with customized discounts. For example, if you have a high number of brand cart abandoners, customers who added your product to their cart but never completed the purchase, you can retarget them with a discount to encourage them to finalize their order. Similarly, if you see an increase in hibernating customers, you can run special promotions to re-engage them and encourage repeat purchases. Tracking your brand's performance over time is crucial. With brand analytics, you can monitor whether your customer base is growing or shrinking and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. If you see more customers moving into the promising category, that's a sign of brand growth, and offering exclusive promotions could help convert them into long-term buyers. But if more customers are shifting into the hibernating or at-risk categories, it's a sign that adjustments need to be made to retain their business. Retargeting is one of the most effective strategies on Amazon because you're not starting from scratch. These customers have already shown interest in your product. Using brand analytics data, you can fine-tune your promotions to keep your brand in front of them, increasing the likelihood of repeat purchases. Brand analytics is an essential tool for staying ahead in a competitive marketplace. By leveraging this data, sellers can make informed decisions, optimize their marketing efforts, and ultimately boost sales. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.